time for no mistakes. Pay attention.
Hey man, watch out for them cameras, man. Man, just do what I said, man. Just do it how I said it, man. Watch out for the cameras. Don't say no names at all, cause this shit might go federal.
What?
But if we catch him with the ops, then shorty, he gon' get it too. Hold up, put your mask on, broski, so they can't tell it's you. Then let's bail out on them with twin Glocks, that's identical. Whatever y'all do, don't show out this car. This shit's a rent, it's borrowed. The little bitch who put it in her name, gotta take it back tomorrow. Lil' bro won't hop out and do it right now. But I told my driver to follow. Too many cameras around this place, and it's kinda causing a problem. My shooter legit, bro gon' step when I tell him to. If you in the way when he slide, bitch you better move. If you with the ops when we shoot, then you get it too. He thought it was sweet, now he laid out, he need medical. We got niggas on our sights, lil' bro, but we gotta be patient now. He like fuck that, he wanna hop out right here with it and chase it down. I'm like nigga no, see that camera boy you slow? He like no, bro just tell me when to go. When the driver throw that car in park, that's when we come from the dark. As soon as you let off some shots, then I'ma follow up with shots. Hey, whatever you do, don't take your mask off till we get back in the car. That's how you get away with doing shit without getting caught. And they gon' need paramedics. My white boy like JJ Reddick. Every nigga with me down the slide, and they don't even want no credit. You go, I go, it's lit. 4-5 and a 9, let's blitz. Everybody standing around get hit. If you throwin', I throw, we can't miss. My shooter legit, bro gon' step when I tell him to. If you in the way when he slide, bitch you better move. If you with the ops when we shoot, then you get it too. He thought it was sweet, now he laid out, he need medical.